Hello, good afternoon po. Ito po yung front desk. Ano po, mag-a-ask po sana if ano pong merong event po here po sa hotel ngayon.
For today, sir.
Po?
For today po.
Apo, may event po ba?
Let me just double check on muna, please.
Sige po.
Thanks for waiting, sir.
Hello po.
Mr. Dalter.
Opo. Ay, Ponce po.
For this security events that we have, for your group is the Mapua Malayan Paradise Laguna Stay and Learn. That will be on the function room Monet from 8 a.m. up until 8 p.m.
Okay po. Tapos ask ko lang din po if ano po, pwede po papalitan po nung mga linen po sa bed kasi may nakita pong blood.
Apologies for that one. For sure po, we'll immediately send our housekeeping, sir. Apologies for this one.
Sige po.
Is there anything else po that you're doing?
Yun lang po.
Alright, thank you so much po. Have a great day.
Thank you po.
Good evening, friend.
Hello, good evening. This is room 1906. I just wanted to ask what time breakfast is served and until what time po?
Breakfast is served from 6 a.m. until 10:30 in the morning here at the Cafe 8 po at the 8th floor lobby.
Okay po. Thank you so much po. Have a great day. Thank you po. Good night po.
Boy, good evening, Customer Center. Your hobby service.
Mabuhay po. We would like to request a wake-up call po sana sa housekeeping, but hindi po, wala pong tagal po ng pag-answer.
Apologies for that one po. The housekeeping is currently engaged with the other guest. May I know what time for the wake-up call?
Probably by 4 in the morning po, tomorrow.
4 in the morning tomorrow.
Apa.
For your room 1906, right?
Yes po.
Alright. Okay,
Okay, thank you so much po.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.